So now we immediately know that the thing we're going to use to, and this is where I want you all to say, we should change the structure of linear algebra so we don't have to do this by hand. This is why teachers don't do this, because it's algebraically intense. But the funny thing is, in order to use computers, we have to design computers. In order to design computers, we have to understand what the heck we're doing, right? 3.6, 12.96. And then the whole idea here is we're going to have our unknown x's. x1, x2, x3. And then what do you say on the right-hand side? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. OK? And then that's going to be, what is that? 3.00, 2.559, 1.236, 36, not 63. Sorry about that. All right, so let's go ahead and look at this. If I look at this product, the good news is when I look at this product, so this is S31 of -1. If this is A, here's my unknown x. And then this thing is going to be S31 of -1 multiplied by B. Let's go ahead and take a look at the products here. Anybody see a really, really easy way to get the first two rows of that thing? 1, 3, 9. What's the next one? 1, 3.3. Guess we'll line them up so they look real beautiful. How about this one? OK. Now, what do we know for sure is going to happen there? That for sure is going to be 0. Just go ahead and check. -1 times 1, 0, 1. -1 plus 1 is 0. This one's a little bit harder, right? Let's do entry by entry. This is a really nice way to do entry by entry. -1 times 3, 0 times 3.3, 1 times 3.6. What do we have there? 3 minus plus 3.6, 0.6. OK. -9 plus 12.96.
You have two different numbers.
Oh, did I say that one? So -9 plus 12.96. I'm looking at this product, though, right? So I'm looking at this entry. So entry 3.3, entry 3.3 is going to be row 3 of the left one times column 3 of the right one. So here's row 3 times column 3, right? Yep.
And you make sure you're filling out now. Would that be point 6 or 3.6 next to the box?
This one?
Yeah.
So in order to get this entry, I'm going to take this row multiplied by that one, right? So the whole idea here is, this is kind of, I think we talked about this out loud, but I don't know if I've written this down. If you have A times B, and you want to take entry IK, that's equivalent to taking row I of A and multiplying by column K of B. Right? And if this thing was m by n, this was n by p, this thing is going to be 1 by n, this is going to be n by 1. Right? So from that standpoint, you tell me, Joe. Yeah, so -1 times 3 plus 1 times 3.6. -3 plus 3.6 is 0.6. And then I go back to Sam here. -1 times 9 plus 1 times 12.96 is 3.96. And then, of course, I have my unknown vector x1, x2, x3. And then, Sam, I think you were jumping the gun a little bit because you're so fast, so fresh and so clean, right? You were saying to me, hey, Jeff, on this other side, to get this entry, what am I going to do? -1 times 3 plus, yeah, and I think that's going to be something like, let's see if we could do that in our head. So 2.764 or something like that? Or 664, sorry? Is it 2.764? Can someone check us on that? Here, I'll check myself on that by, this is actually gets into 2's complement. I'll stop there though for, yeah, there's a lot here. But did I not fill them out individually? 1, it should be of course 1, right? That was goofy. Did someone else get that? Did you confirm it via calculations yourself? Okay.